In today's video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can register your property in booking.com or how you can add a hotel in booking.com. So basically what you'll need to do is, first of all, make sure that you already have a booking.com account and then launch your booking.com account. Once you're logged into your account, you'll need to go to your profile icon located right at the bottom, and this is how the interface is going to look like. So right on this page, you'll be able to see multiple options. So right on this page, scroll down right to the bottom, and right at the bottom you'll be able to find an option as list your property. So click on it, and this is going to take you to the other interface where you need to click on list your property once again, and this is going to direct you to the web page of booking.com. Be able to see all of these statements, go through it, and if you're sure about getting with all of these, then click on get started now, which is right at the bottom. So in order to create a partner account, you'll need to provide in the email address. So click on the continue button. After that, provide in your first name, last name, phone number, and then the date of birth, all that, and click on the next button. You'll also need to create a password, and for the confirmation you'll be asked to type in twice. An email with the verification link has been sent to this following email address. Now you'll need to open it up and then confirm it. So here you go, that I've received a verification email. So click on the confirm my email button, and this is going to direct you to the other interface. As you can see that the account has already been created. Now you'll need to select your property. Now since we are going to add a hotel in our booking.com, so click on hotel, B&B, and more. This is going to direct you to the other interface where you need to select whether it's hotel, whether it's a guest house, with bed and breakfast, or homestay, whatever. You have a multiple options, so select it accordingly and then begin with the procedure. After that, click on the continue button. Now here you need to state how many homestay are you listing. So if you have multiple, then you can just tap on multiple homestay with one or other following option, and similarly if you just have one homestay, then click on one homestay with one or more multiple rooms. Click on the continue button, and this is going to direct you to the other interface. So go through the above statement, only then tap on continue. Now you'll need to select the country of origin where you actually have the hotel. Scroll down right to the bottom, and then you need to click on the continue button. Once you're done entering your information, scroll down right to the bottom, click on the continue button, and after you provided the information, you need to select the location on the maps and click on the continue button once you've selected it. After that, you need to type in the name of the property. If you're sure about it, click on the continue button, which is right at the bottom, and over here you also need to select what is your guest house to use that for. So click on the continue button once you've done that, and after that you'll need to go through all of these information. Click on the continue button if you're sure about it, and over here you need to select the language as well, and then click on the continue button. So here you can see that you have all of these home rules, so go through it all and then select it accordingly. Click on the continue button once you're done with this procedure as well, and after that you'll need to click on the continue button as soon as you're done selecting all of these information. So lastly, you'll be directed to this page where you'll need to take a picture of your rooms or your hotel. So to click on add rooms and click on add photos, and then click on the complete registration button, and as soon as you've done that, it might take a couple of hours for the verification or review. So all you need to do is wait patiently until you get registered. So in this way you can register your property into booking.com. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.